Good evening guys. So now here in Arabic Mess Hall for sharing to you to our serving of the menu for our customer. Here is the first one for sweet. Mm, See, there are toppings of nuts. Yeah. And fresh vegetable with lemon, with olive oil, yogurt. Looks like lovely drinks, but there are some big vegetable included. See, look at that. Very nice and very tasty. Wow. Okay, one more time to run down. Show it to you this one. Wow. Okay, this is serving today is makluba, but now it is waiting for that 6 o'clock for serving. And also that is the vegetable with the cauliflower and some mixed vegetable with french fries. Voila. French fries is I like it. They are, it is still hot. So see, very nice and crunchy. So look at that. So one more time to random to our serving menu for today. So this one is makluba, chicken makluba. Yeah, it's so hot. Wow, it's so hot. See, it's so hot. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Please share, like and comment. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.